Welcome back to the Tiana's Bayou Adventure installation tape. At this point, the existing Splash Mountain attraction should be rid of animatronics, props, and all electrical wiring. There have been changes issued by Walt Disney Imagineering, so do not destroy any of the America's Things animatronics. Imagineering requires them to be relocated to the Country Bear Jamboree show building. To begin, use scaffolding to remove a Chickapin Hill stump featuring Brer Rabbit's likeness from the final drop. Since this is a dangerous task, have a team of 6 cut the stump and replace it with mossy rock. This should take you some time. Next, remove all Brer Rabbit figures from the logs. Next, it is time to go inside the show building and measure a distance to install the new Bayou scenery and install the screens. The screen will contain the firefly effects from the attraction, which we will implement later. In the former laughing place area, remove the vulture max and place a screen inside. Mama Odie will appear to lead the riders into the drop. There should also be a screen in the former scene where Brer Fox captured Brer Rabbit. This is where Ray's family from The Princess and the Frog will appear. And just for clarification, these firefly effects are created by our friends at Walt Disney Animation Studios. Now it's time to add in all cosmetics for the critter animatronics. Please refer to the manual on where they should be placed. First, Larry Armadillo, who will be a static figure, so just his body, shell, mask, paw. Now on to Bobcats, Octavia and Papa, who appear in the former scene where Brer Bear gets trapped. Paws, body, mask, trumpet, and for the Bear family, Claude, Bernadette, and Sebastian. Mask, body, arms, legs, and the regular critter band, the turtle, the beaver, the raccoon, the rabbit, and the otter. They will appear in the first show scene and the finale. And for the frogs, which will appear in the former laughing place area. All you would have to do is install their masks and drums. Now add in all cosmetics for Lottie, Eudora, Naveen, and both Mama Odie animatronics. In the scene before the final drop, install Mama Odie's wind chime. There has been a change by corporate not to include Dr. Facilier in the attraction. When you are finished with this, add the lighting effect to Monty Ross rather than the dark purple one in our original draft. Now moving on to the finale. Install the Tiana's Paws backdrop, which will have the animatronics, screens, critters, Naveen, Lewis, and Tiana. Now, moving on to Lewis and Tiana herself on the very last night of the installation process. Prepare for this night, because it will be a long one, and everyone should be operational by tomorrow morning. First, start by adding all cosmetics for Lewis. Feet, hands, upper body, mask, and the trumpet. Make sure you mark an X for Tiana and cut around the existing trap doors. Now, plug in all lights and projections according to the manual. It is time to costume Tiana. Legs, safari hat, vest, mask, shoes. Finally, install all the other parts listed in the manual. Remove spotlights from unused scenes and parts and service, as they will not be used again. Reposition spots 5 and 6 according to the manual. Inside the control room, replace the old EPOM containing the Splash Mountain show tape with the updated one that places the show tape for Tiana's Bayou Adventure. Rename all spots for new characters and decorate the queue according to the manual. Adjust your VCR to correct character movements. If the Tiana's food signage has not been installed at this point, it will need to be done as soon as possible. The overlook of this attraction should resemble the following 3 studies.
Let me just say this, the only thing required